Ever thought about growing your own salad greens? Imagine the joy of stepping into your backyard and picking fresh, pesticide-free leaves for your meals. It's a healthy, rewarding, and surprisingly simple pursuit. Growing your own salad greens is easier than you might think. The first step is choosing the right greens to grow. Lettuce, spinach, and arugula are all excellent choices for home gardening. But remember, climate and sunlight play significant roles. So, choose the greens that will thrive in your garden and that you love to eat. Next, prepare your garden soil. Good soil is the lifeblood of healthy greens. Enrich it with organic matter like compost or aged manure to boost nutrients. Also, ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogged roots. With the right soil, your salad greens will grow lush and tasty. Now, it's time to plant your salad greens. Begin by sowing the seeds with about 2 inches of space in between and cover them lightly with soil. Water them gently, and remember, consistency is key. Your greens will need a steady supply of water, but take care not to oversaturate them. Feed them with a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks, and keep an eye out for pests. With a little vigilance and care, you'll be rewarded with a vibrant, healthy crop. With proper care, you'll have a bounty of fresh salad greens in no time. Finally, the best part: harvesting and enjoying your fresh salad greens. When they're full and lush, gently pluck leaves for maximum freshness and flavor. Get creative with your salads, mix up the greens, and experiment with recipes. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, and remember, a salad a day keeps the doctor away. So, are you ready to grow your own salad greens? Let's recap. Choose your greens, prepare the soil, plant, and care. It's that simple. Try it, and soon you'll have fresh salads right from your backyard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy growing!